Hey folks, once again, it's Captain James Nelson here with Dude Craft Guitars. Check out that one. Yeah, look at that. Now, all the description material is going to be over here. Check it out. And, okay, that's what this is. This is a demo video, so there you are. There's your demo. Thanks a lot. No, I'm just kidding. Of course, I'm going to make you suffer through some lazy loop that I concocted at the last second. So let's get to it. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, I'm going to do that. was like a G9 at 11 or something I threw in there. Hey, what can I say? It's a fun axe to play. It is, yes, it is a basics. It is a little extra wide. Again, all the details are over there, but wow, these pickups, what can I say? Wow. Anyway, thanks again, folks, for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars.